Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. So previously I've done a video on this little USB dongle, and that enables you to have wireless CarPlay. So this particular head unit in my work van, it does require a cable in order to be connected. Let me just turn all this off. So previously I did make a video on this particular dongle. This is the RC10 from Lamtto, and I do also have a different model from them. So this is the RC10. Now the difference with this particular unit is it only has one. So whereas the RC20 has both Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay, the RC10 series only supports one. So the RC10 supports wireless CarPlay, and the RC10A is for Android Auto. So first thing we'll do is we'll just do a quick unboxing. There's not going to be much in here. So it comes with a user manual. So this is going to tell you what you're looking for when you're trying to connect. And then it comes with the actual unit itself, so pretty small. It has a rough surface on the back, so if you did want to just stick this somewhere, you could probably put some adhesive tape on there and it will stick quite nicely. On the actual unit itself, that I believe is going to be a little LED, and then you just have a single USB-C connection. I think that will probably be a reset button, and then alongside that this will be a USB-C cable. Okay, so this is what you get as part of the USB-C. So you are getting a USB-A to USB-C, and then it comes with a USB-A to USB-C adapter. So if your car only has USB-C, then you basically put this on the end of here, and that turns it into a USB-C to USB-C. Whereas obviously for mine, as you can see, it is a USB-A, so I will be using the cable straight. Okay, so as you can see, it's all connected up. As you can see, it has detected that the smart box is connected. Yeah, there you go. So you have a green light. So at the moment it's in pairing, so I'm guessing that's going to stay flashing until it actually connects. So the main difference with this is obviously my situation is different. So in my situation, probably having it plugged straight in with the dongle, the USB adapter, is probably better because I have to have something trailing. Whereas a lot of people have this maybe where their cup holders are or something, that's where your USB port is. So for those people, this is actually better because you can plug this in, and if it's got a cover, it will still close. Whereas if you've got that USB adapter plugged in, then more than likely it will stop you from being able to close whatever tray or cover that it actually has. So what I'll do now is I'll just pair my phone, and then I'll come back after having done that. Okay, so in order to pair, we come into settings, we go to Bluetooth, and we should have a new device. There we go, SmartBox 344D. Click on that. It gives us the code. We hit pair, we hit allow. Okay, so here we are back, and as you can see, Apple CarPlay is fully working. We have access to everything that we need, and we're not having to tether our phone to the actual unit itself. So now that it's connected, as you can see, the light stays solid green. So that's what you should expect to see. So you can place this wherever you want. Obviously for me, the other one is actually better, and obviously it gives you a little bit more functionality as well. But for those people who only want CarPlay or only want Android Auto, this gives you a different option where you can have a cable, and obviously that protrudes a lot less than what the other dongle does, which would stick out significantly further. And obviously, like I say, it's for different use cases. So in this situation, that one works better. But if you had this USB port somewhere else, then you would be much better off with this unit and just get the one that you need. And yeah, it does the job. So yeah, simple video, another quick one, but yeah, the product works. It connects quite easily. Having used the other one, whenever you turn the car on with that connected, it'll take, I can't do the test because I'm using my iPhone to record, so as soon as CarPlay kicks in, it will stop the recording. What I'll do is post on screen roughly how long it takes for it to actually connect up. Yeah, so that's it for this particular video. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And I'd really appreciate if you can also give this video a thumbs up as well. And until the next one, thanks very much for watching.